guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Steph if you're new here, and today we are doing a video all about churro mini muffins. They are so good, that's all I even have to say about them. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you want to see more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram if you want one, and let's get to this video. Preheat at 350 degrees. Three cups of flour. 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Half a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of granulated sugar. Half a cup of melted butter.
I need the milk.
2 eggs, lightly beaten. Beat those eggs. And 1 cup of milk. Now for the cinnamon sugar coating that goes around the muffin, we have 3 ingredients. We have melted butter, granulated sugar, and ground cinnamon. So we're going to melt half a stick of butter to dip the muffins in first. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So now I'm waiting 5 minutes for the muffins to cool off, and then I'm putting them in the butter and then into the sugar and cinnamon so they have that crusting all over them.
The thing is, did you read? I know, but did you read?
Yeah, probably. This is probably more of the sugar one.
Oh, how many yum.
Because when you put.
Alright guys, we're at my grandparents' house, and this is what we have. Application submission for taste tester position at Chuck's Bakery. It is the churro muffins that we made and a coffee cake that my mom made, and we are bringing it to my grandparents, a little bit of each, because my grandpa has been going crazy during this quarantine just like the rest of us, and so he's been baking a lot, so we figured we'd make a little joke out of it and see if they want some of what we're making. Hello.
You're a real girl today, huh?
Yes. Can you read that for me?
Oh, that's you.
And what does that say? What does it say on the front of the bag?
On the front of the bag. Application submission number 371 for taste tester position at Chuck's Bakery.
Alright, so they love them. They're going to call us later, tell us how they taste, but I think job well done. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked this video. They are so good. Like, if you make it, please let me know, because they're so good. They're so good. Let me know if you guys want more food videos like this. I am trying to still do other videos, but you know, baking, food, it's everyone's top priority. So please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.